Hello and welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics, and here I'm helping you cover every concept, every example, every question from every exercise. So when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you prepare for exams better. In this video, we are covering question 7 from exercise 3.1, and question 7 says, draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, and then determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and the shaded triangular region. So first of all, let us tackle the first part, that is to draw the graph of these two equations. Now, first of all, let us see if they are consistent or not. That means, do they have any solution? If they don't have any solution, then we need not proceed. And if they have any solution, then of course we can find a solution on the graph. Alright, so let x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 be equation number 1. And let 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0 be equation number 2. So if we compare these two equations to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we have a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to minus 1 and c1 equals to 1, and a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to 2 and c2 equals to minus 12. So a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equals to minus 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 equals to minus 1 by 12. So we have a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. And when does this happen? When the pair of linear equations intersect at one point. So there is going to be one unique solution, right? So now let us find the solution on the graph. For equation 1, when x equals to 0, y equals to 1, when x equal to minus 1, y equal to 0, when x equals to 2, y equals to 3. For equation 2, when x equal to 0, y equal to 6, when x equals to 4, y equal to 0, when x equals to 2, y equals to 3. Now let us try to plot these points on the graph. Now for equation 1, when x equal to 0, y equals to 1, so this is this point. When x equals to minus 1, y equals to 0, so this is this point. When x equals to 2, y equals to 3, so it is this point. Now let us connect the 3 points. So this line is the graph of x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now coming to equation 2, when x equal to 0, y equals to 6, so it is this point. When x equals to 4, y equal to 0, so this is this point. When x equals to 2, y equals to 3, this is this point. Now let us connect the 3 points. So this line is the graph of 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now the solution of the given pair of linear equations is the point where the two lines intersect, and this point is 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 is the solution of equation 1 and 2. Now the second part of the question is determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. That means these two lines and the x-axis. So it would be this point and this point. Why? Because the triangle is formed by this line and the x-axis over here. So one of the coordinates is 2 comma 3, this is minus 1 comma 0, and this coordinate is 4 comma 0. So the coordinates of the triangle are 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. Now the last part is shaded triangular region. So we have to shade this triangular region. So this is the shaded triangular region. So this is how you have to tackle such questions. Now I recommend you to try the sample question. you have to proceed in a very similar manner and you have to draw the graph of these two equations, and then you have to find the coordinates of the triangle so formed by the lines and the x-axis, and you have to shade the triangular region. Alright, so if you have any queries, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.